Hello guys, this is Paul from Crypto Lifestyle, back to you with another video. As you can see, the BNB is pumping. Yeah, it was a good entry here, and here, I mean, for like maybe some futures, some longing. Here was a short. Yeah, I'm very bullish about BNB in the future, but today we could see a slow rise, So yeah, it might be a good position today for a long. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the updates of the platforms. Alright, so yeah, BNB is pumping and we're basically earning BNB everywhere. So yeah, I guess that's good. That's what everybody was expecting, and yeah, it happened. So let's maybe first look at the bees. So I've been staking, I've just put some more into the hive, and I've seen some videos by Stan Abrazi and other YouTubers, and they were showing like taking free money from the staking. Right now the token dipped a little bit, so I bought a little bit because I've seen it like go to 50 cents, 45 cents, and then go up to like 60 something. So I guess it's safe playing with the staking for now. So yeah, I have some tokens, as you can see. I also will claim some that are already staked. Show you. So I always have some balance of this AMBR tokens. So yeah, you for some fees, and after it's confirmed, yeah, you'll see my balance went up, and here we have an easy shortcut to go to the liquidity pool to add liquidity on Pancake. So it's not like it's something else. It's you don't have to like register to stake here, go to the hives, but you will get free tokens, for 0.1 BNB you'll get 10 tokens, which you can immediately sell. So it's like free money, and you can stake it and earn for free some additional tokens. And right now I'm earning 6 tokens per day. Like I said, they can go higher, well, I'm not sure, maybe they can go lower, but I can always take my liquidity out like a minute. So yeah, let's go to Pancake, and here you'll have to click max on the AMBR tokens, and it will you'll have to put an equal amount of BNB to go to add to the pool. But I'm gonna leave some tokens for fees, so I'm gonna only stake 70 just to be liquid. It's not it's I could leave like maybe 1 or 2 tokens. The fees are probably very low, but whatever, let's have it like that. And right now when the transaction is confirmed, I'll have some more LP tokens to stake. Right now I'm staking 6, so I'll be staking more, and I'll be taking what I can, and probably I decide what to do. Maybe compound for a bit. We'll see. It's not like referral based, so this is only like my tip of what you can do to leverage this platform. Because the added staking is why I decided to go. I was in the earlier versions and they were very controversial or whatever, so that's why I'm here. And I regret that I'm just doing it now, but whatever. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna earn 88 tokens per day, and let's hope they go up, or they stay like around some numbers, so I can get my profit and be because there is something called impermanent loss. So that's also I am aware of it. So okay, let's move up. This is their token, Ambrosia token, AMBR. There are like 500 addresses right now, so I guess that can be more. We'll see. I'm observing this as well. BNB yield, the platform you've seen on one of my last videos. Let's connect the wallet because all right. So yeah, right now the numbers are decreased of the days, and I've seen that there had some bugs, but they really the platform went down. Some people were panicking, but then they really I guess they have good devs or whatever, because they were able to get it back running in like minutes. So yeah, the panic was over, and there's almost 3000 BNB on balance, and it's still very fresh. So yeah, I am probably going in a little bit more, because it's still very fresh, and I am only going in the first plan because that's my strategy usually. Alright, so let's take it. Yep, just a little bit, here and there. I like to diversify. Okay, sure. Okay, so they also have this YouTube contest. I applied for it. We'll see how it goes. It's like in 10 days they will say who's the winner. I don't know if I can apply multiple videos, but I won't apply this video because it's like an update video. So this is a very nice project which I'm very bullish on. It's just dipped, so it might be a good moment to go and look how bullish it was before. I'm not sure what happened, but some people are selling. Maybe these are the people who are staking, because there are a lot of people staking, and to take a stake out you need to pay 12% fee altogether. So probably they're saying what they can. So that is why it's dipping, but it's still very fresh project, and they have many things. They very ambitious team and good community. I guess it's still. I bought some more, just just a little bit, because I like the project. This is their staking pool. I'm not staking, but well, I was thinking about it. I know the 12% fee. I'm just holding for gains, and I bought very early, so I'm now in profit. All right, let's go to another one. It's got released today, and it's like a clone of SquatUp, which doesn't have a good name to it, because it was like only for 3 days, but these guys managed to do some things better, and the balance is growing. So I was sitting on it the whole day, because I don't necessarily like clones, but everything is a clone right now. But SquatUp was, I guess maybe their script wasn't a clone of some other script, but maybe it was copied from somewhere else, and it's just what these guys did, for sure, which is better. We can only see balance, we don't see total stake, because we have short plans here. So it was misleading people, and they were panicking, so that's a single one thing they did better. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit here if I can. Yeah, here, just test it, and then I'll decide. Just diversifying a little bit here and there. It's passive, so why not? You'll find some links in the description. Some will be referral links. I'll get some small amounts of referral profits sometimes, and but some of this project doesn't have referral links. So I'm just showing you basically what I do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research, man or woman. Yeah, don't put it on me. Okay. So this I want to show you because it just was pumping a few times, and I am with my community friends, from Telegram, from one group. We were like, going in a couple of times, a couple cycles, and it was really pumping great. So these are the things that I'm looking for, for speculation when they're fresh tokens, small market caps, and basically if you can earn here, of course, there are winners and losers always. So yeah, just be aware of it. And yeah, the BNB, we'll see how it performs in the next days, but yeah, it looks very bullish. So yeah, accumulating BNB all the time is a good idea, probably. Alright guys, I guess this is the end of this video. This is what I wanted to show you today. There will be some more videos soon, so please subscribe if you're not my subscriber. Like this video, give me a comment. I'm not usually asking for that, but I was not so active, for some time, and now, I will be doing a lot of things showing you good entries. So yeah, yesterday or something like that, I showed you this token, and look what happened. So yeah, just come and look what I'm doing. Maybe you like something. Just do your research always, and see you soon, guys.